The sound of beautiful chants filling the atmosphere, the scent of incense hung in the air. The temple standing in quiet reverence, surrounded by lush greenery and intricate carvings adorning the temple's entrance, telling stories of deep faith and utmost devotion. Today, in my podcast of Temples of India, I take you through the very beautiful, the very powerful, and the immensely marvelous temple of South India, where chants of Govinda, Govinda, Govinda are heard. Yes, that's our very own Venkateshwara temple, situated in Tirumala, Andhra Pradesh, India. Situated on the hills of Tirumala at Tirupati in Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh, India, this Hindu temple is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, a form of Lord Vishnu who is believed to have appeared on earth to save mankind from trials and troubles of the Kali Yuga. Hence, the place is called Kali Yuga Vaikuntha, and the Lord here is referred to as Kali Yuga Pratyaksha Daivam. The temple is run by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam under the control of the Andhra Pradesh government. This temple of Lord Vishnu was built by the Tondaman Raja and later reformed by the Cholas, the Pandavas, and the Vijayanagar Empire. This temple carries the style of South Indian architecture. The Garbhagriha is called Ananda Nilayam, and Lord Vishnu is standing facing the east inside the Garbhagriha. The temple follows the Vaikhanasa Agama tradition of worship, and this temple is one of the 8 self-manifested, which is the Swayambhu Vishnu Kshetrams, and is listed as the 75th Divya Desam, one of the 108 mentioned in the Nalayira Divya Prabandham. This temple is one of the richest in the world in terms of donation received and wealth. This temple of Lord Venkateshwara is located on the 7 hills, and the presiding deity is called the Lord of 7 Hills. It is believed that the 7 hills represent the 7 hoods of Adi Shesha. The 7 hills are Vrishabhadri, Anjanadri, Neeladri, Garudadri, Sheshadri, Narayanadri, and Venkatadri. So who is the deity inside this temple? Lord Venkateshwara, an avatar of Lord Vishnu, is the presiding deity of the temple here, and the Moolavar, which means the Moola Murti, that is the main deity or the cult image, is Swayambhu, which is self-manifested. There are different pujas which are performed here at the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. The temple here follows the Vaikhanasa Agama tradition of worship, which is the principal tradition of Hinduism and primarily worships Lord Vishnu and his associated avatars as the supreme god. To name a few of the sevas that are performed here, one is the Suprabhata Seva, the Archana Seva, the Tomala Seva, the Kalyanotsavam, the Dolotsavam, the Sahasra Deepalankara Seva, the Arjita Vasantotsavam, and the Arjita Brahmotsavam, followed by the Ekanta Seva and a lot more. So what is the prasadam or the Naivedyam here? The Tirupati Laddu given here is the main prasadam. And there are others like the Chakrai Pongal, which is sweet pongal, the curd rice, the puliyogre, the dosa, the appam, and there are a lot more. The festivals that are celebrated here are quite a few. It's believed that in this temple, over 433 festivals are being observed in 365 days in a year, suiting the title Nitya Kalyanam Pacha Toranam, where every single day is a festival. The Venkateshwara Brahmotsavam, The Vaikunta Ekadashi and the Ratha Saptami are some of the most important festivals. However, other annual festivals include the Ramanavami, the Janmashtami, Ugadi, Teppotsavam, the float festival, the Vasantotsavam, Sri Padmavati Parinayotsavams, each one of them celebrated with great and grand splendor. Here there's a particular song that is sung to wake up the deity from his celestial sleep. It's called the Venkateshwara Suprabhatam, and I'm going to be saying a verse from the Suprabhatam. Shriman Bhishta Varada Kila Loka Bandho Shri Srinivasa Jagadeka Dayaika Sindho Shri Devata Griha Bhujantara Divyamurte Shri Venkata Chalapate Tava Suprabhatam. So what does that mean? One with Lakshmi, one who grants boons, friend of all the worlds, abode of Sri Lakshmi, the matchless ocean of compassion, one having a charming form on account of his chest, which is the abode of Sri Lakshmi. O Lord Venkateshwara, may it be an auspicious dawn to thee. Thanks for listening. I will be back soon with yet another podcast of the very famous and the not so famous temples of India. Till such time, it's Divya signing off. The temples in India serve as centers of spiritual practice, religious worship, and large community gatherings. Today, temples are not just simple structures, but intricate architectural marvels. Most often referred to as a mandir, a devasthanam, or a kovan. A temple is a sacred place where we Hindus worship and show our devotion to our deities through worship and prayers. Namaste, my name is Divya Doraiswamy, and in the series of Temples of India, I take you through our beautiful and marvelous temples of India, all on the platform Kya Matlab. Stay tuned. Kuch baaton ka matlab, kuch matlab ki baatein. Kya matlab?